Here's the news of the day. W.R. Davis Engineering will supply CH-47 Chinook helicopters with infrared suppressors to the U.S. Department of Defense, enhancing aircraft stealth and crew safety from surface-to-air missiles. The Whirly-Girls Scholarship Fund offers over $550,000 in helicopter training scholarships for female aviators, with applications due by October 4, 2024, and awards presented in March 2025. The Leeds Major Trauma Center Helipad, upgraded with Help Appeal funding, has enabled 1,182 evening air ambulance landings, improving access to emergency care for critically ill patients. Loft Dynamics has launched a new apprenticeship program with AZW to train students in virtual reality engineering for aviation, combining classroom learning with practical experience. Preparations for the London EV show are underway with high-profile attendees and exhibitors, featuring discussions on eVTOL adoption and urban air mobility from November 26 to 28. Chain Terminal Botlek's new SF Unit 4 in Rotterdam is on track for early 2025 completion, expanding sustainable aviation fuel capacity to meet growing EU demand for greener flying. U.S. sustainable aviation fuel production doubled to 52 million gallons in 2024, with projections aiming for up to 4.9 billion gallons annually by 2030. Hafner Energy launched SAF-0 to produce sustainable aviation fuel using patented technology, accelerating global SAF projects and partnerships in multiple regions. Dr. Dean Roberts, a renowned aviation analyst, joins Roland Vincent Associates as VP of Strategy, focusing on sustainability and expanding their aviation market capabilities. The NBA plans to lease 13 VIP Airbus A321neo aircraft for team travel, prioritizing player comfort with lie-flat beds and custom features to reduce jet lag and injury risks. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.